besides this awful music we've been dealing with all day long, how you feel about today?
It's been a long waiting portion, but it's great weather. So hopefully the track holds and it's a good race.
Yeah, from what I understand, this is a heated track, so we should have a pretty good sticky day.
Yeah, it's a lot better turnout than I thought it was going to be, drivers wise.
Yeah, there's a lot. All right, so we got our test card. We're gonna get geared up here pretty soon, but first we got to meet the people because we got a lot of people hanging out by the car right now. All right, we're gonna go tech. They called us up to tech real quick. Gonna go get that done, and then hopefully line up soon. It seems like the event's getting just a little bit slow right now. They're having a hard time getting all the cars lined up properly, but I think this is where we go to tech. Yes, so we should be able to tech in here pretty soon. Got all teched in, everything's good to go. Kind of get all the fans right there. We're gonna be making some passes here pretty soon. Just gonna go cool off a little bit. The sun's out, so it should make for some good racing. Okay, so we are locked and ready to do some racing, but hopefully we'll get started here real soon because I am super eager to get the show on the road. The car's looking great. I mean, we're ready. We are ready. No test and tune, straight off the trailer, which is okay. We're used to that kind of situation. Got the car pretty much dialed in for an 8th mile track anyway, so we're gonna give it hell in the first round. They're gonna do NA Auto first, and we're gonna be second. That's it for now. Let's get to some racing. We got the bye, so we're gonna try to make a hit anyways for the data. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so 5.4, 135 is what we ended up running. We had the bye, like I said. Remember that Nova we raced in Tulsa. I'll go ahead and put the video here. I was having issues at the time, but it looks like he's got those lined out because he's moving. So it's very possible we're gonna get any of those cars next, and we'll just have to deal with it then. But it was a good, solid, okay pass. I did have to pedal it a little bit, but it wasn't major. I just kind of stabbed it, and the car moved out. Hopefully the next round is better. Alright, coming up is the second round. We're in the lanes already. We could literally draw from anybody here. There's that Nova that we talked about earlier. And we got this truck, I believe, big tire car, and I think this guy's in the same class as well, so I don't know who we're gonna pair up with. Alright, so we won that second round. This third round, we're gonna get to race our buddy from Tulsa. So we gotta, like I said, there's tons of heavy hitters right now, so we had to run somebody that was a heavy hitter, and that's who we're gonna run. Right there, that green Chevy Nova. once again. Hell yeah, we outran that Nova, I believe. I'm gonna have to look because it was close. I had to hit the scramble, but I'm pretty sure we just outran that Nova. Yeah! Oh my lord, it's gonna be a long night. It's gonna be a long night, fellas. He was ahead of me by quite a bit, and I reached for the scramble. I had to see if I could outrun him, and I just barely squeezed by. He's still red lit, which still gave me the win automatically, but I just barely squeezed by on a big end and still caught the light. So I don't know who we're gonna race next with. There's only like Promods left, so we're gonna end up seeing who we race with. It's just funny. At least we're in the semis or finals. I'm not sure, but we'll go check it out. It took every bit of a pro mod to put me on the trailer today. The Bullet, it was running great,
dragging that bumper.
I mean, what can you do? Pro mod, big tire car.
Down the racetrack. All right, here we go.
I don't even know why we were racing that car.
Mustang.
Anyways, we went for it just in case it had some issues, failures, or whatever. So we lost, no big deal. I just aborted because he was on a lick. Obviously, he ran a 4.3. So, but yeah, that's it. We're gonna pack this thing up. We got a road trip back to the house. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go home and get some rest in.